Ladies and gentlemen, may I request all of you to kindly ensure that your mobile phones are switched to the silent or the buzzer mode during the course of the event. Thank you so much. Can we all rise for the national anthem?
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Kindly be seated. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the listing ceremony of Powerica Limited. Let's hear a nice big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Powerica Limited. A momentous occasion today for the company, because in a very short while from now, they are going to be listed here at NSE. Powerica Limited, a company with 40 years of legacy. It is an integrated power solutions provider specializing in diesel generator sets and medium-speed large generator sets. By integrating the widespread DG set and MSLG offerings, they provide a comprehensive range of generator sets with capacities ranging from 7.5 kVA to 10,000 kVA, designed to meet the distinctive requirements of diverse industries and applications. Further, building on their experience in the generator set business, the company entered the wind power sector as an independent power producer and subsequently developed capabilities as an engineering procurement and a construction contractor, as well as an operation and maintenance service provider for the balance of plant. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will go ahead and have the traditional lighting of the lamp. And I'd like to invite our hosts from NSE, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO. We have Dr. Harish Ahuja from NSE, Head Issuer Relationship. Please come up. From the company, we have Mr. Bharat Oberoi, Chairman and Managing Director, Renu Oberoi, Executive Director, Jay Oberoi, Executive Director, Pradeep Gupta, Executive Director, Ritesh Agarwal, Chief Financial Officer, Anita Renusik, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer. And from the BRLMs, we have Mr. Sarun Agarwal, ICICI Securities, Shovik Purkyastha, Nuvama Wealth, and Mr. Prince Poddar of IFL Capital.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We now welcome our guests on the dais and present them with a floral tribute. I first invite from NSE our host, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO. Our host for this morning from NSE, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO. A nice big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Bharat Oberoi. Mr. Sarun Agarwal, ICICI Securities. From Nuvama Wealth, Mr. Shovik Purkyasta. From IFL Capital, Mr. Prince Poddar. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And now for the opening address, I invite Mr. Prince Poddar from IFL Capital Services Limited. Please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Prince Poddar on the dais.
Honored dignitaries from the exchange, the management team of Powerica, led by Mr. Bharat Naresh Oberoi, and all other esteemed guests, a very, very good morning. On behalf of the book running lead managers, it is a privilege to stand here today and to mark the listing of Powerica Limited. India is a rapidly growing economy, and power is the backbone of any growing economy. Powerica is providing support to the growth of this economy by providing trusted solutions in the backup and primary power space. From providing power backup to massive incoming demand on data centers, to the powering sustainable growth of the Indian economy in the form of wind power, Powerica checks all the boxes. Powerica provides a unique solution and balanced business profile, which is a mix of stable businesses in the DG sets and high-growth businesses in wind power. As bankers, we often look for a moat in a company, and clearly the moat is Powerica's capability. Powerica is trusted by marquee global names such as Cummins, Hyundai, Vestas, GE Vernova, and Schneider, which is a testament of the fact of the technical and distribution capability of the company. The market's response has been good. Despite a complex global macro environment, we got very good interest from qualified institutional investors, with almost the issue subscribed 5 times, and participation from large mutual funds, large FIIs, and insurance companies as well. To the team of Powerica, many congratulations on achieving this huge milestone of listing. You have been diligent, meticulous, and transparent throughout this process. To the investors, thank you for trust. Thank you for your trust. And as we welcome you to the Powerica family of more than 20,000 investors. As we prepare for ringing the bell, we are confident that Powerica will continue to generate not just power, but almost a very, very great shareholder value. Thank you and welcome you all.
Thank you very much, sir, for that opening address. I'd now like to invite the Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Bharat Oberoi, to address all of us.
Thank you for that introduction. So good morning to everyone over here, our partners, esteemed members of the NSE, our board of directors. It's an absolute privilege to stand before you on this significant milestone as we celebrate the listing of Powerica Limited on the National Stock Exchange. Today is a defining chapter in a journey that actually began about 40 years ago. At this special moment, I would like to honor my late dad, Naresh Chandra Oberoi, the visionary founder of Powerica, who, with his business intellect and relentless hard work, laid the foundation of this organization. His spirit continues to inspire us every day and achieve excellence in all fields, and this milestone is a tribute to his legacy. As I step into his shoes, I forever will remember all the values, ethics, morals he bestowed upon me, and shall continue to guide the organization accordingly. I am also pleased to inform my son, Jai Ram Oberoi, who joined us 4 years ago, has been a big part of this IPO in his very early age. I thank the teams concerned who supported him and gave him this enriching experience and learning. As we step into this public markets, we do understand the strong sense of responsibility and purpose to participate in India's growth. For all power solutions in standby power, renewable power, battery storage, and transmission. The strategy of growth would be confident but not overconfident, aggressive but cautiously aggressive, so that we can ensure the best results for all partners and customers. This listing has obviously a new journey for Powerica, and we shall ensure great transparency, accurate governance, as well as higher benchmarks of performance for all our stakeholders. I would like to thank all who have been a part of this success IPO and Powerica as an organization, starting from our esteemed principals, BRLMs, lawyers, auditors, advisors, and board of directors of Powerica. A special thanks to the team who put in a year, Powerica team, who put in a year of exceptional effort to reach this listing today. I express my gratitude to the entire capital market fraternity with a special mention to our new shareholders for their overwhelming response shown in our IPO. I would sincerely like to thank SEBI for all their support during the IPO and National Stock Exchange today for providing us this esteemed platform for listing our IPO. On behalf of Powerica, we are committed to promising power and powering progress in years to come. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to put your hands together and welcome our host for this morning from NSE, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, who will now address all of us.
Shri Naresh Chandra Oberoi, Chairman and Managing Director, Powerica. Shri Bharat Oberoi, Joint MD, Powerica. Shri Pradeep Om Prakash Gupta, Director, Powerica. Srimati Renu Oberoi, Director, Powerica. Shri Jai Ram Oberoi, Director, Powerica. Shri Ritesh Kumar Agarwal, CFO, Powerica. Board members, employees, family members, media personnel, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of Powerica Limited. NSE is proud to welcome Powerica in our family of listed corporates, and now it becomes 2,981st company to list with us, further strengthening the vibrant and growing ecosystem of listed Indian enterprises. India is the 4th largest capital market in the world, The market capitalization of unlisted companies has grown over 115 times since NSE started its operations in 94 and now stands at 421 lakh crore or $4.45 trillion. At NSE, our commitment has been to provide a platform that enables companies to grow, investors to participate in that growth, and India's economy to thrive. In 31 years, NSE has been a catalyst to the growth story of India, enabling economic growth through fund mobilization, capital formation, wealth creation, and job creation. As India marches towards becoming Viksit Bharat, the listing of Powerica on NSE reflects the spirit of an India driven by innovation and global competitiveness. As entities like Powerica scale through public markets, they contribute directly to building a stronger, self-reliant, and future-ready nation. In recent years, India has consistently ranked among the top IPO markets globally, even as several international markets witnessed subdued activity. In calendar year 2025, India was global leader by number of IPOs, followed by the US and mainland China. In financial year 26, NSE facilitated 222 IPOs through both the main board and NSE Emerge, raising about 1.89 lakh crore in total, one of the strongest years on record. NSE today serves 12.8 crore unique investors holding 25.4 crore investor accounts, spanning 99.85% of all PIN codes in the country. We are proud to offer Powerica access to this broad investor base, a fair, efficient, and transparent market ecosystem. Public listing is the beginning of a new chapter, one that reflects the company's performance, governance standards, leadership, and the spirit of entrepreneurship. I congratulate the entire team of Powerica, Muncher Bankers, ICICI Securities, IIFL Capital, Nuvama, legal advisor Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas, PR agency Concept Communications, and everyone else associated in this listing for their accomplishments. Today's listing is the beginning of a strong partnership between NSE and Powerica. We look forward to support you in your continued growth and future fundraising endeavors like FPO, rights issue, commercial papers, NCDs, sustainability-linked bonds, and many others. May your journey on NSE as a listed company be impactful, prosperous, and enduring. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, Ashish, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Pradeep Gupta, Executive Director, who will now speak to all of us.
A very good morning, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand here with deep gratitude and emotion to pay tribute to our visionary leader, Naresh Oberoi ji. My journey with Naresh ji began in 2001 when I approached him for help with a 1000 kV DG set facing power crisis in my previous organization. He helped me in solving the problem in my organization. Today, as we witness this milestone, we must remember that this IPO is just not a milestone achievement. It is the realization of the dream he carried for years. This success stands as a true tribute to his vision, values, and legacy of Naresh ji. We will always remain grateful for his gratitude, his trust, and the path he showed to us. This achievement would not have been possible without the collective efforts and unwavering support of many individuals and institutions. I would like to express my deepest appreciation to our esteemed Board of Directors for their strategic vision and leadership, which have been instrumental in steering the company toward this landmark achievement. A special word of thanks to our investors, both institutional and retail, who have placed their confidence in Powerica. Your belief in our vision inspired us to strive for excellence and deliver sustainable value. I would also like to acknowledge our advisors, bankers, and legal team, auditors, and all our intermediaries who worked tirelessly behind the scene to make this listing a success. Your expertise and dedication have been invaluable. To our employees, the backbone of our organization, this milestone belongs to you. Your hard work, passion, and commitment have made today possible. We are deeply grateful to your contribution. Finally, I would like to thank our customers and business partners for their continued support and trust in our capabilities. Your association motivates us to continuously innovate and growth. As we step into this new phase as a listed company, we reaffirm our commitment to strong governance, operational excellence, and long-term creation for our stakeholders. Thank you all for being part of this historic occasion and for celebrating this achievement with us. Thank you. We welcome you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have the most interesting part of this morning's ceremony is the exchange of mementos. And I'd like to invite our host, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, to kindly come up. I'd also like to invite Mr. Bharat Oberoi, Chairman and Managing Director, Mr. Jay Oberoi, Executive Director, and Mr. Pradeep Gupta, Executive Director. The first set of mementos is, of course, the trophy, as you can see. We have a coffee table book and proud to be listed badges. Let's hear it nice and loud, ladies and gentlemen. That's from NSE to the company. We have the badges, proud to be listed. And today we are all definitely proud to be listed over here at NSE. And here's a coffee table book from NSE to the company to Mr. Bharat Oberoi. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the exchange from the company to NSE. As you can see that's a mini gen set. And I believe it's pretty heavy, yeah? Thank you, Ashish, sir. Thank you so much. And now we have the mementos from NSE to our BRLMs. That's to Mr. Sarun Agarwal, ICICI Securities. From Newama Wealth, we have Mr. Shoik Purkiasta. From IFL Capital, we have Mr. Prince Poddar. We have Cyril Amarchand. Cyril Amarchand, please come up. The other council. And from the agency, it's Concept Communications. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, gentlemen. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the next set of mementos will be given by the company. So I invite Mr. Bharat Oberoi to kindly come up. Once again, I invite our BRLMs from ICICI Securities, Mr. Sarun Agarwal. There you can see the entire team. From ICICI Securities. We next have from Nuvama Wealth, Mr. Shovik Urkyasta. Thank you very much. From IFL Capital, Mr. Prince Poddar. From the council, it's Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas. From the council, we have Tri-Legal. Tri-Legal. Once again from the council, we have Link Later. Link Later. We have Link Later. Oh, they aren't here. Okay. From the auditors, we have Kapoor, Parekh and Company. That round of applause has died down. Thank you. From the advisors, we have Marathon Capital. That's Marathon Capital. We next invite Tushar Sridharani. Tushar Sridharani. Aishwarya Consultancy. Aishwarya Consultancy. They're not here. Okay, we move on to our next one. We have Shreyans Jain and Company. Shreyans Jain and Company. Yes, they're there. Shreyans Jain and Company. Independent Chartered Engineer, Sharjeel Aslam Faiz. Sharjeel Aslam Faiz. Not here. Okay, we have the banker to issue Axis Bank, banker to IPO. Axis Bank. Kotak Bank. Okay, we have Kotak Bank coming up. That's Kotak Bank, banker to the IPO. We next have the printer, SAP printer. SAP printer. We next have the PR agency, Concept Communications. The registrar to the issue, MEFG in time. That's register to the issue. Industry report, Bristle Intelligence. Industry report, Bristle Intelligence. They're not here. Frost and Sullivan. Frost and Sullivan are also not here. All right, and then we come to the end of our presentation of our trophies, our mementos. Thank you so much, gentlemen. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the closing address, I'd like to invite Mr. Shovik Purkyasta from Nuvama Wealth Management Limited. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. Shovik.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all on behalf of Powerica Management and the book runners to this issue for sharing your precious time with us to attend this listing ceremony. Powerica's journey to becoming a publicly traded company is a legacy of 4 decades, founded by late Sri Naresh Chandra Oberoi and led by Mr. Bharat Oberoi. This company has been a leader in the power solutions industry and has been championing the Make in India story long before the title was coined. Today is a milestone day in the company's evolution as it becomes listed in these challenging times, and it is a sign of the quality of this company and this issue that even in these volatile markets, we were able to get this listing done. The IPO was fully subscribed even during these volatile markets and has seen participation from all the large and top mutual funds, FIIs, and insurance companies. As the company grows from 9 shareholders to several thousand shareholders going ahead, we wish Powerica all the best for the future and are confident that the company will continue to achieve new heights. A successful IPO is the reward for the effort of many, many people who worked on it, and this would not have been possible without the support of SEBI, the stock exchanges, the fellow book runners, and all the other intermediaries, legal counsels, auditors, registrars, ad agencies, and printers. Thank you all, and thanks a ton. Lastly, we at Nuvama are privileged to have been a part of this issuance and would like to thank the management team for giving us an opportunity to partner with you in this special milestone. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite Mr. Venugopal, who's part of the Powerica team, who'd like to come up and share with us his thoughts, his remarks on the IPO. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome Mr. Venugopal.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very emotional and happy occasion. Only one thing is there. Our chairman, Mr. Naresh Oberoi, is not there in this occasion with us. This is a tribute to him. On behalf of the staff of Powerica Limited, I joined the company in the year of 1980. That time, our staff strength was 11 people. Now we have grown to the extent of more than 2,000 staff. This is a very big achievement and vision of Mr. Naresh Oberoi. He has transferred the burden as well as the responsibility of Powerica to his elder son, Mr. Bharat Oberoi, and his grandson, Mr. Jay Oberoi, and his only daughter, Renu Oberoi. We are all with the management for the further future growth of the company, and I wish a grand success for the listing of Powerica Limited. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. And now we have a short video that we played. NSE is going to showcase what they do on a general basis. Take a look at it. And then at 9:58, we will have our dignitaries up on the dais for the ringing of the bell.
India dares to dream. 1 billion dreams of progress, growth, and prosperity. And we at NSE, India's largest stock exchange, are fueling those dreams. Our story is the story of today's India, its ambitions, its limitless potential, and its vibrant future. We are the heartbeat of India's capital market and a gateway to the Indian economy. with an unwavering commitment towards Viksit Bharat. Born in the wake of India liberalizing its economy, the National Stock Exchange was built to support a progressive India. Powered by technology, NSE transformed stock trading into an investment journey for every Indian.
In 30 years, NSE has not only changed India's financial markets, but it has also changed India's technology. Today, India is known for its technological prowess. It all started as a part of NSE. And it was the first digital public infrastructure. It was the first fintech of India and still the largest. The magic of Nifty is also basically reflective of India's economic growth that has happened.
NSE is now the world's largest exchange across all asset classes by activity and among the safest and fastest in the world.
Sometimes we get 2,000 crore orders in one day, in 6 hours and 15 minutes day. And sometimes we do 300 million trades or 30 crore trades in a day, which is again 50% of all trades in a day in the entire world.
If you look at the automation that we brought to the table, the online real-time risk management capability, I think that's the best in the world. I have no hesitation in saying that this is perhaps something that the world has not seen till now.
Through our unique relationship with a diverse set of stakeholders across brokers, government institutions and more, NSE is at the forefront of nation building. NSE brought trust, transparency and efficiency to the Indian capital markets. For us, innovation is ingrained into the very ethos of NSE. We were the pioneers.
Ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the most awaited moment of this morning, the ringing of the bell ceremony. I am going to need your assistance for the countdown. All right? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, you are. There is something very interesting that is also going to happen, which as soon as it's 10 o'clock, we have the ringing of the bell. There's going to be a photograph taken at that moment with all the dignitaries on the dais, and that will be presented immediately after the session is over. All right, we've come to almost 30 seconds. We'll wait for it to get to 10. And we need you to help me out with the countdown. We're all looking forward to it. There's absolute pin drop silence. You can hear my own heartbeat. There we go. Getting closer. Everybody, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Powerica Limited. Once again, a nice big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Powerica Limited, listed this morning here at the NSE. Yes, we have all the time for a photo op. You can all take turns and do that. Ringing of the bell. Before we move ahead, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite Dr. Harish Ahuja, Head Issuer Relationship, to kindly present the photo frame to Mr. Bharat Oberoi. Ladies and gentlemen, this photo frame which is being presented was taken exactly at the dot of 10 o'clock. A nice big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That's being presented by Dr. Harish Ahuja to Mr. Bharat Oberoi. You'll see the time is exactly at the dot of 10. Thank you, Dr. Ahuja, and thank you, Mr. Bharat Oberoi. Ladies and gentlemen, before we call the entire Powerica team on stage for a photograph, I would like to invite you all to also join us for tea, coffee, and light refreshments, which is in the foyer to my right. Thank you so much. And this is Bosco Rodriguez signing off, wishing you all the very best and have a lovely day ahead. Take care.